Mayamba Khurumjari Adam Yangbiri Impact Talk to Manipur ni Ayadom gi host Pinky Okram. Impact Talk to Manipur na Chayol Khudingi Phidam Ningai Oiraba guest kaya ama Adom gi damakta madi miyam gi damakta puduna lakchai. Ngasi su miyam gi damakta puduna lakchari. Chahi asigi chatliba chahi asigi November amada pangthokiba Miss Good 2019 gi title Lower Krabi Adugumbi Sagin bi haibetare Mingwina Panjarabada Merlin Ningmuanching Mahak unabaki tanjad lauzage. Welcome to our show, Merlin.
Thank you so much.
The title si lorok pagi damakta. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Ahambada Merlin so se hawdok po oina. Brief introduction macham khatang pibiu about yourself, about family, about schooling, college. Kari tauri haibadu ki matang da haibiu.
Okay. Hello everyone. I myself Merlin Ningmuanching. I'm from First MR, daughter of Kam Kuptong and Jinkan Nem Kuptong. Currently, I'm pursuing the first semester at Manipur College, and I'm 19 years of age. Thank you.
Aduga we akoina thabak ama tawba matamda mai paklak pa matamda harau pa se phawi ko adu Merlin gi oina Miss Good 2019 gi winner se Merlin oiden lau thorak pa matamda kamaina phawgi isada kari haina haibadi harau budi harau rongani khange but how it feels the madu haibiyo
Yamna harawe haidi aina pamjaba amasu yamna piingaidagi aina nonjaba haitare ko aina yamna pamjaba ama oirbatagi I ask God every day for his help through my journey in beauty contest, and then he granted me one wish of mine, and I feel really happy. It was so amazing.
Yam nuai aduga platform ase masigi akaknaba platform ase khalli basigi maram se kari beauty pageant ki platform me amalai ko to pa Manipur da hositi mai am tawre moda Miss Good ki platform se oina choose to krise masi maram kari kina
as I have said before, Miss Good beauty contest is one of the biggest festival for the cookie, gin and miso, and then ever since I was a child I wanted to join in one and take the crown one day. That was my dream, and then that is one of the reasons, and then I have taken this type of beauty contest not because only for the beneficials of individuals, but for the whole as well. I want to help people, to give inspiration to someone else, at least even if it is one person, then I would be thankful to help them dream even more bigger and to encourage them.
Okay, yamna phajaba khara haibire mathak la khangjaning basi title se win tawrba matungda lawrba matungda Merlin na khwaidagi ihan hana tawgiba thabak se kari oiki
as soon as I got the crown, I thank God.
Marakta na kayo khatang haijage maiteiron se khangba taragadi maiteiron khatang marakta yanbiu karigin akhoi audience na Merlin na maiteiron ngangba se khorang na ngai romgani haina sukhandai majid English ka khatang mix tawar su kaide
aina si title phangbadagi ai kari disability home and then orphanage home visit tawe aduda aina visit tawda I see many poor life and I feel some kind of sentiment for them. Aduda chatpe I ingonda smaina opportunity isona pibi bisi yam harawe haibadi ai se kari haisa harau it makes me that I'm thankful for this life, for everything I have at my neck.
So wish amadi sure na fulfill tawbire ado mathangda next ai Miss Good 2019 se tare ado mathang se kari tawbige na khalli
ai mathang se tap na like Miss Manipur in Northeast asmaina chathage na khalle
aduga amuk isa se beauty pageant gi winner oiraba title laura abase miyam gi damakta di role model oiraktoi neba Merlin gumbo oinengi mahakna tawriba thabak singse haiba gumbo ko maduda haibudi haibi kre Merlin you also said that you want to help the poor people maduna tabida madu sugumba haibase kai haini mayamna loina ma haigale ai leita laira da mateng pangninge ai adu tawninge maside khatang topa Merlin na tawninge ana khallaga leiba plan da mayam daga haidok tabidi sada di khallaga leijabado adugumbadi leibra
adugumbadi aina haire ko nasai adu mayam ni haina haijani aina hairu mayam aina wakhal to hana su thamjaba leite nasai haib khiba mayam do aina pamsabani hai
okay aduga matang khangjaning base contest ase yauna bagi damakta matam kayam changna isa se prepare tawbiki karigino habidi aina contest ama yaudore haibase ekta hayeng yaudore harga chatpa yabadi natabani na matam larom gani khangi lot of preparation me am tawrom gani na khalle kari tawge
I say at the beginning of the year adudagi work hard tawjari hadi stage amada chatawina prestigious stage amada aduda speaking room so kanna hotna je ai isa thanda yum daga mirror de yengaga ko adum asaina hairagi phajabra asaina no odi phajabra haida stage da adwan hai mama hoina so angau bi maliga haima ko adu is despite that I always try my best, and then I even work inside my house. It was quite a sight for my parents, but I was really happy. But through that I got this title.
Okay, aduga parents na didam support tau bida kibra. Habedi parents kara lay ko sugum beauty pageant ko masa yawaning daba larik taga hene concentrate tau haning ba yawaning daba sulay banina. Som gi Merlin gi parents na di adum full support tau bi kibra kamay na tau.
I give parents na di nang na apamba tau adugo nangi larik rom di son hanganu hai aduda nang na apamba tau da kari sa thingwa leite hai support si am tau bi.
Support to da ipai pa ki support yaw ba matam da macha sing sina mai pa ai ha base masimak Merlin na si khudom oiri ko tamatang Merlin khang base sugum ba contest ama thok tori ha ba tar gadi contestant sing sina grooming class tat pa magi oja ama nai raga ko chatlaga tamba khot pa se me ham tau nei ba hosiki matam do ko adu gum badi leibra
ai coach gum ba ha base tau ta de ko iduga instead I was various YouTube channel like the Miss Universe, Miss World, and that is how I got this far, thanks to that, through my own hard work.
Aduna tawning ba thaba ama lay taragadi isana thijan ba machang ba isana haining ba isana tamning ba do lay taragadi oza ama nairaga tawdraga su ngasi Merlin na mai pai ba se mayam da su hogalagi ba mayam contestant mayam beauty pageant mayam da thokning ba mayam lay ba se makhoi da su wakhalok sing oi jasen hai ba tare ko mathang Merlin de khangjamin ba se isana contestant ama oina yaure yawba matam sida somna aiga khwaidagi hena yamna naknana compete tawnaba candidate ka yawi gana khanbi gi bra participant me amarak sida mari am strong oina ma aiga di yamna thengai na gani ma ga aiga se naknana chataw ma le gana khanba adugumba contestant adum yawgi bra
adum yawki haidi every pageant in this competitive world there's always like the strongest contestant I so sometimes I feel down like ai bu ngamgadrane kumba haina so wakhal se yamna khanjai ba adu so I trust in God so I just leave it to God.
Okay aduga isadane akoina nangna contest sida yawure participate tawure masida isa se strong oina na ba aigi hakchang wakhal mayam se aina khalli ba pot da focus tawba ngamna na ba kari tawi mis meditation tawba lay ko adagi aina aise mayam mamang da thokpa matam da ki da na ba aina tawningi ba facial expression oro mayam se masi tawba ngamna ba isana tongan bi isa ki tawjaba lay hai tare adumaina Merlin gi di kumaina tawi
aigi ngasai so hai ke ko aigi adumaina nervous ka bagumba di myam lay ba beauty contest hai se khoi su phajare nervous ka je yam haire aina thorak pana chade adugo aigi thajaba as a Christian, as a religious person, I always keep my trust in God, and every morning and every night I pray to God that please help me like that, and then as maina adum aigi peaceful over side from me aduna.
Okay, am ngai se do ka mathang khajani base Manipur da lairiba thokla iba tawriba beauty pageant mayam se Merlin ki wakhanda up to the mark oina khanbibra natragana Manipur da lairiba tawriba contest mayam se khara watli khara improve tawgadaba watli area khara da sothari still we have to go far haibado khanbibra
hana gi ka compare to zaradi hojiki yamna prestigious oira kre yamna su chau kre aduda yamna su ling hai tare ko adu khalle
okay ado akoina su yengjaba matamda mamang ki chahi kharaga akoina comparatively yengba matamda hangtaki Miss Ko 2019 se yengba matamda mit ta yamna mit akoida penjaba haiba tare ko hana di sum angang oina manba ngang da thokpada no tawba do hantakti khara mi se dum mi khara chawraga yengba nungai ba khumdorokpa answer da nungai ba akoina hek penjaba oibado adumak oi haiba tare maybe akoigi contest pangthoiba singse yamna chawkhalakpagi matung ina hena mayamna mapanda tawnariba se masisu ubadagi akoigi se am sothamalabra na khanbadagi oiramgani haina su khalle adoga Merlin masing khangjaning base winner ama oina bo hotna bada beauty pageant amagi title holder na winner ama hoina oina na bo hotna bada karam ba quality sing laigada bani na khanbi.
First of all, as my failures yamna things are so adum kindness humble oina lazy quality ama thamjani aduga yamna sakrom dadi yam pak yeng dina hay beauty contest hizer so it is like beauty with brain, and then first of all you need to be brave. I think that's all the qualities you just needed.
Okay, aduga beauty contest se masi akhoi na taza ba matam da hek nogi screening tawba matam dagi no activities khara su dum tawba male makhal gi madugi activities mayam dudagi ko Merlin na khwai dagi interesting oizagi ba khwai dagi nungai khiba aina nogi tholakpa matam da traditional round ka su mayam lai ko mokhoi mayam dugi marak ta isana khwai dagi enjoy taw khiba se karambo oi aduga kari gi
I give Miss Good beauty contest matamda I na quite pamsaba activities amadi we girls from all the communities of Manipur, we all came together as one. We unified through culture, and I really like that about it, and I really love it, and I have got the opportunity to even meet many girls and make new friends.
Okay, akhoi da advantage ama fangbado. It's not only about the beauty pageant, but mafam dagi lakpa mayam duna isana marup sana ba aduga aigi imanabi hengat pase isagi lantungsan ba magum bane natra madu mahaisaning aduga matang khangsaning base haujik smaina tare ado aina so hana hangi matang kari tawningena masina taba life the ambition gumba aigi aim gumba aina mayam gi mateng pangba amasina aigi pamjaba ma oigreba but aina ambition aina thabak tawge gana khanba ai sugumba thabak se tawningi gumba khanba adugumba de kari le
said in my intro, in every contest, I airline roam the change na khalle
airline the changning se isana pam ba gi maram se khangzani karigino haiba matamda aikoina class ko 10 11 12 kara aga sigi matam sida koina yamna aerospace kumba gi line aduga koina ground staff ki line ga changba matam sida thabak se tawbata nungai ga daba man ba ko tawning ba hoi tasing na tawning ga changba mi su yaw ba but adugi stage to mulan thokraga ai se adugi exam thage ai se achawba mi oi gi or officer adugumba matang su la eba do Merlin gi oina airline gi rom gi thabak se tawge na khali se kari da attract tawri no.
First of all, aina pamjabase traveling se yam pamje. I like to explore myself in new places. Adugi soye aduga airline the super city will meet many people and will communicate with many people, and I really love that because whenever I meet new people I always talk to them first, no, like who are you, where are you from, adugumba su yam na pamje aduga adsi line se igi da perfect ne haina khanje.
Mi tinaning ba mi ga wari sananing ba aduga mi se lai ko akoina mi thengna ba matamda akoina kauge khanba matamda he khumning da bagumba man ba se akoina sotam tinage tawba matamda wangang ning ba matamda dam nungai te dana ko khara aina ma se kaururaga wangang muraga mana kamai khumakani haibado Merlin gi oina di Merlin gi akoi bada lakba mi sing se laaga approach tarokpa matamda they will be happy aduga adumakumba approachable oiba mi se masi su tangi haiba tare ko wari su yam nungairi atenba break ama khatang laujage break ki matungda Merlin da ki khoina khanggadaba wafam kaya ma wali impact Dr. Manipur bu mi engta duna leibi mayam pa mukana taram nok seri edom yeng biri basi impact Dr. Manipur ne edom ki host Pinky Okram ngasi akhoi gi studio da link sinduna leibiri basi chatli ba chahi English ngani ga supna tarama pan gi Miss Good 2019 gi winner ni title holder ni Merlin Ningmuanching unabagi tanzado mukan lauzage. Merlin, it was nice talking to you before the break. After the break se am nungai kani haina khanje matang khangjaning base as you said God na ishwar sina nange wish sama fulfill tawbi den hai ko will wish se fulfill tawri se ama khatane. What are the other wishes that you want to fulfill in your life?
The other wishes is that to be able to be a good daughter for my parents, because as we all know, we are all human beings and we are all daughter ones. Aduga akhoi gi kai haisa mi haibasidi adum pi ingay the teenage or ingay the hekta imai pabusu kaphallena adugi in the future a good daughter ama oini haina haina.
hauzik ado future the good daughter am oining hai se isana hauzik fawbagi leiba ai hauzik fawba leiba sida Merlin gi parents da afaba machanupi ama oiraga la ena khanbibra natraga adu aina oiningi ba changdo yaudri ai oigidaba watli haina khanbibagira
hojikpudi audio edubu krawat in khalle because I want to provide them for them more and more in the future when I like in the future when I have stopped and then provide more for them and not only for them but for my whole family as well.
Okay. Sungsai soi dena oiba ngambi afaba machanupi maramokpa mayamna mama mapa khuding mangna aigi chanupi di sumaina tawi na yamna mayam mamangda hainingba wari liningba adugumba sungsai soi dena oibiu nakiyani madam Merlin dai khangjaning base Merlin akoina life se up and down oiko hoi mi khara kina adum nungairaga chatle hanadagi nungairaga leirpa kangbo ndu waba kangbo na dum waba ko ado Merlin gi life da incident kumba leibra wagiba aduga as ai je masigi tangkak se masimu punsi da waba se lak toba mandre ga na khangiba adugumba leibra any incident where you felt I see the I am ware where you cried so much aduga I say this is enough I hawata ba yadre ga na haiba ko I honada ba yadre I have to be strong ga haiba adugumba incident
yauze haidi last year at the end of the year I beauty contest se hekta lose confidence oirame I hana su yaurame khra macha macha chau su yaure beauty contest se kari na yaurame I have met many failures and then I have some like I feel sad I isanmak su I kaino taw jabang amaroi gumba khallame adubu I encourage tawbina ba mi su family da su yam me aduda adu matang da moina hena encourage tawbiraga aduga me I give friends fellow moina su encourage tawbiraga no like they encourage me like no you are perfect you can go out there you can do it just their words just cheer me up so I want to take this opportunity to thank them.
Okay, so akwai support tawbina ba leiraganda aigi punsi se loira male khanba matamda aingona support tawraga hogat piraga turaga leiba aibu khut pai biraga hogat piba mido makhoina maram oiraga akhoina ngasi mai pakpa mi ama oiba matamda makhoi se dum thankful oigada bane akhoina natra to Merlin mathang khangjaning base hauzik se somdi hauzik mi mayam gi idol oiba horak toine ba horabane journey has just begun ado Manipur da hauzik incident mayam thoe ko lebak se irang yam leire irang se ngahak leitana hauzik somna kadum khangbiram gane khalle framework agreement ki the NSNIM ga India government ga sanaba wari se khoina khangning bagi lang takna ba lakhoi gi lam se kai gi dra hai bagi mayam na khoi mai bel singsina kappa phawa yauri bane ba masiki matang da kari phawi as a mai Manipuri ama oina Manipur da leiba ko mi ama oina kari phawi kari haibini
if you look around, there have been some unfortunate things happening in the corners of the society because of our difference in communities and religions. Each and every communities and religions has their own laws and rules, but above all reason, I think that we should keep in our mind that we are all human beings who deserve equal love, equal respect and protections of our own rights. So I would like to comment like this in that question.
Okay, so Merlin so je haibire ko aikoi se mioi bane ahan bada mioi banina amaga respect pinar ba matamda aikoi se amata ne khanba matamda pharak kani na haibane ba but condition sida aikoi amata ne na law ba matamda amatang oyu yarakta ba se oyu yarakta ba duna aikoi na pakhali ne ba si tawgadra aduna any positive kind of message that you want to convey to the people of Manipur.
The only message which I would like to convey to the people of Manipur is that for the unifications of the many tribes and the many communities of our state Manipur, I think love is the only solutions, and when we only start showing love for one another, then we can have a peaceful country, I think, like this.
Mayam nungsinaraba matamda thoiba thodo wathok mayam se loisalaga nungsinana ingna chikna mara chetna leiba ngamgane na Merlin na haibiri to Merlin ekhoi gi Manipur sida according to you karam ba area da chakhala ningi karam ba area se katang backward oiri sigi area se khoi chakhata aragadi Manipur se khatang phagani ko gana khanba adugumba leibra
lei mayam lei ko adu Churachandpur da oiro kari district atopa togan da chat oiro adum chatlubada hekta ueba si jaga se kradi chawkhaladi nungai ni na nungai di da haina khanbasa ba yam le adu some rural place adu yeah
okay adu duga chawkhat pa haibase chawkhat pa purak pa haibase da ikhoina changi base hoi mayama changre go but aina somda hangjaningi sina any for example haiba matamda traffic rule leire adagi ekhoi hozik lambi da phataba charaga langthokpa mayam su leire aduguma mayam leidana ko small things akoina just ignore tawba but maduna maram oiraga khoida pollution hengkatpa adagi mi accident thokpa gi chang hengkatpa suguma mayam su leiridana madugi matang da aina hangjabani ado mathang Merlin de khangjabase khangjaning base Merlin punsi da ikhoina mai pakpa niyama oigena khan taragadi hoi you are still too young to decide what are the qualities, what are the best qualities, you know, which we follow. Aduga ikhoina smai oigadamne haibagi chahi budi yaudri ko but hauziki chahi sida still karamba best level da kari tau taragadi akhoina khalli base achieve tau bangam gani haina khandi
asidi matang sida ina haijaning badi in every field there might be many youngsters trying in every field like football or any field in terms of sport, in terms of study. And hygienic with young people on the no, do not let others hold back you from achieving your goals. Let them say whatever they want. Just go with your plans. Ado hanging.
Mayam na haiba mayam na ngang batabi ganu. Aina tauge na khali ba po to the focus tauraga taubiu na haiba ne. Yam phajaba message sam supibire. Merlin, song ke idol se kana no kana oi.
For me, my ideal is my sister because she's working like a mom in a family because unfortunately my mother is not in a well condition, and then she provide like a mother in a family, and then I think that is quite an inspiration for me because she's also a young lady. She needs to go out there and meet her friends and then have a little bit of fun, but she sacrificed all of those enjoyable life for her younger siblings, and I think that is really beautiful.
Okay, so what happened to your mom?
So my mom, she's kind of sick. It's been a long time, but lying the high tide.
Tuna phagat po isa no kasi hay sige. Aduga isagi hobby si kari oi.
Singing, traveling, and I do like to sports.
Okay. So singing hana haibira banina. Isai matek ama khatang Merlina apamba any song phaba lyrics phaba gumba yam sang daga su matek ama khatang sakiro.
Just sing one song.
Khatang khonjal se khatang hauna sakpa yabra haina try to be so that every audience na sai basic karino haiba se phajana taba ngamna na ba haiba tare.
I'll just sing it calmly. Even the sparrow has a place to lay its head, so why would I let worry steal my breath? Even the roses you have cloned and brilliant red, still I'm the one you love more than this. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yam phajai hai haija batare. Merlin, we talk so much about beauty pageant and about your personal life, then about your hobbies. Aina hangla iba wahang mayam sigi manungda. Merlin na aingonda same di hanghaningi same di hangaktre. I would want to answer this question gumba haiba adugumba wahang leibra leitaraga di kari oi.
Howzi stena su loi hangbire adwa topadi leijadre.
Duna haibadi aina prepare tawra laksari ba se mapung phare haijage. Ado akhoi se matam su loi salakle Merlin aroiba oina akhoi ki Manipur da leiriba laik tamaga leiriba maru oina ngasi yamna young oiba yamna beautiful oiba gorgeous oiba nupi second beam akhoi ki studio da lengsel labanina ngasi Merlin hoigumba beauty contest mayam yawningba aduga nangna chatliba lam sigi sida chapmana na chatningba kaya ama lei ko makhoi ki mafamda message am khatang pipiram
moingonda ina message haining badi migi Do not let anyone stop you from chasing after your dreams. Even if people say that you're not perfect, just remember that you're perfect. God has made you perfectly. Let your beauty, use your beauty in the name of the glory of God. That is what I want to say.
Okay, thank you so much. Merlin, matam mayam khaidok piraga, kaithok piraga, akhoi studio da lengsin birakpa, aduga khoida experience mayam share taw biramba, nungai ba wari mayam sabiramba, chahi yamna nauriba nupi macha amana akhoi se mioi ba ngaktane amaga nungsinaba taragadi nungsinana leminaba taragadi nungai ba porakane ka haibase masigumba taba matamda nungai ba phawi aduga khoi audience sing da su masigi message se mioi khuding makta yohaninge karigino haibadi nungsiba ngambagi thamoy do walakpadagi nungsinada ba se henkalai banina nungsiba sina punsilaga chingtam amata oiraga khoi Manipur se nungai yaifaba lamdam ama oirasunu masi haizage. Thank you so much for joining us today. Masining as Impact Talk to Manipur ki episode Mathangi haptada mathangi chayolda nungairaba fidam ningai oiraba guest amaga muk puduna lakjage ngasigidi kainanaba ya thangni jari pinabirasi.